Online, connected, and cloud-based applications play a significant role in running today's businesses. These applications, especially those designated as mission-critical or life safety-related, can profoundly impact organizational productivity. According to the FCC mandate that all POTS lines in the U.S. should be replaced with an alternative service by August 2022, nobody should be without a plan. Unfortunately, thousands of companies around the nation are connecting their elevators, alarms, call boxes, and fax machines with legacy TDM methods of copper or analog services, and are seeing a dramatic and accelerating increase in operational cost and a significant decrease in focus and support from all the major carriers. To help companies transition these copper analog legacy lines to more efficient 4G LTE services, MACH Networks created AReS, our award-winning analog replacement solutions that enable organizations to make a simple and easy transition away from analog, while at the same time future-proofing their connectivity with the best, most reliable, fully managed solution on the market today. Not sure if this solution applies to you or your customers? If you have an elevator or alarm panel and have not updated your connectivity from analog services, your business will be affected. With LTE services, AReS can deliver affordable and cost-effective dial-up capability to almost anywhere in the nation, while at the same time offering wireless failover out-of-band management and support for many other business applications. MACH's fully managed AReS modular solutions include best-in-class products from Cradlepoint, connectivity from AT&T and Verizon Wireless, and 24-hour battery backup, all built into a ruggedized enclosure. With immediate 4G LTE options available and an upgrade path to 5G, our fully managed services will ensure the location can be deployed and supported as quickly as possible. Now is the time to build your mission-critical POTS transition plan. AReS by MACH Networks is purpose-built to help you make the transition today.